Want to grow your YouTube channel without ever showing your face? In this video, you'll discover how to use VidIQ, a powerful SEO tool, to grow your faceless YouTube channel using AI tools and smart keyword strategies. VidIQ is an all-in-one YouTube growth tool that helps you with keyword research, video SEO, trending content ideas, and performance analytics. Whether you create AI-generated videos, avatar-based content, or text-to-video shorts, VidIQ gives you the insights to optimize everything. As a faceless creator, your success depends on good titles, keywords, tags, and optimization, because you don't have a personal brand on screen. VidIQ shows you which topics to rank for, how competitive your niche is, and how to tweak your videos for better visibility. Use the keyword tool to search high-volume, low-competition tags like faceless YouTube channel or AI video creator. Combine VidIQ's tools with platforms like ChatGPT, Fliki, or Filmora 14 to script, edit, and publish without ever showing your face. Consistent optimization using VidIQ boosts your discoverability, especially in AI-focused niches. Ready to grow your faceless channel? Start using VidIQ today. Link in the description. Like and subscribe for more AI tools, tutorials, and faceless content tips.